Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell on Webull paper trading. We'll start by understanding the basics of this powerful simulation tool. Webull paper trading allows you to practice investing with virtual money, typically $1 million, in a risk-free environment. This is a fantastic way to familiarize yourself with the platform, test strategies, and gain confidence before committing any actual capital. Let's dive into setting up your first virtual trade. Now, let's walk through placing a buy order in your Webull paper trading account. First, open the Webull app and switch to the paper trading mode. Search for the stock you want to practice buying, like Apple or Tesla. Decide on your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Enter the quantity of shares, perhaps 10 or 20, and confirm your virtual purchase. Once you've made a virtual purchase, knowing how to sell is equally important. Go to your paper trading portfolio to see your open positions. Select the stock you want to sell, perhaps after a simulated price increase. Similar to buying, you can choose a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to sell at a specific price. Input the number of shares you wish to liquidate, maybe all 50, and confirm the transaction to realize your virtual gains or losses. After placing several virtual trades, it's crucial to analyze your performance. Webull's paper trading platform provides detailed insights into your virtual profit and loss, allowing you to track your progress. Review your order history to learn from both successful and unsuccessful trades. Experiment with various strategies, perhaps using stop-loss orders to manage risk. Remember, the goal is to develop sound trading habits and achieve consistent, simulated returns before transitioning to live trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.